case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a 1978 case that pitted the Central Maine Power Company, CMP, against Waterville Housing Authority, WHA, Motel Services, Inc., the appellant sought a promotional allowance offered by CMP for using electricity heating in housing projects. This showdown revolved around the legal intricacies of contract acceptance and resulted in a significant decision by the Maine Supreme Judicial Court. The dispute's heart was a clash over construction specifications for two housing projects. CMP had a promotional allowance for those who used electricity-based heating systems. Motel Services, taking the initiative, did just that for housing projects later handed over to WHA. In a potentially discouraging rejection, the lower court ruled in favor of CMP, stating that the requirements for the promotional allowance had not been completely met by Motel Services in the time frame before transferring the property to WOA. However, Motel Services, undeterred, launched an appeal with a compelling argument. They highlighted that CMP's offer had been partially fulfilled, thus forming a binding contract. It was a legal maneuver hinging on the premise that an offer could be accepted in practice without explicit communication. To the relief of the appellant, the Supreme Judicial Court took a different view. They upended the lower court's assertion, finding in favor of Motel Services. The court ruled that despite the change in ownership from Motel Services to WHA, a change of offeree's status post-acceptance was not grounds for contract avoidance. This judgment was distinguished from the scenario of personal service contracts, which typically require the unique skills of the original offeree. The appellant's failure to file specific forms was discounted as a defense due to CMP not providing said forms. With this, the court ordered a reversal of the lower court's decision, effectively entitling Motel Services to their sought-after promotional allowance. The case was sent back to the lower court with instructions to incorporate the Supreme Court's judgment into their conclusion. Adding a final twist, the court dismissed the third-party action against WHA without prejudice under the provision of Rule 41, A2, MR Civ P. This monumental case serves as a precedent in contract law and is a testament to the intricacies of the legal dance around contract acceptance and fulfillment.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.